Good morning from me. Apparently not my voice. And my 5 chins because January. But good morning, welcome to a new weekly vlog. Apologies for the shadow. It's rather early. It's in fact, show you 17 minutes past 7 AM. So, as I stated, it's January. Quite obviously. I did weekly vlog last week, although it was a bit shit, so soz. As I did say, Joe was off work, he went back today, so I was kind of just spending time with him, so I kind of felt awkward kind of vlogging. So that's why it was a bit of shit. But this week we're back to normal, kind of. And I decided that I was gonna start getting up with Joe. Didn't get up at the same time as him, but I got up, wow, maybe just before 7, maybe about 5 to 7 I think I woke up, and I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna get up now, get what I need to do done, like early, and then I've kind of got more of the day for like filming stuff and getting more like normal videos filmed. So, as you may be able to hear, I already have the washing machine on. I have done almost all of the washing up from yesterday. I left a couple of bits because I'm just not used to being up early, so I just couldn't be arsed. And I am now sitting down with a cup of tea. Yeah, I need caffeine, so I'm gonna finish my brew. I'm also gonna write my like to-do list for today. I need to film, like I say, a couple of videos. Oh, I forgot to put my rings back on. I made turkey burgers last night and I was like, I don't want to get like meat in my rings. Oh no. Good afternoon, apologies for the lighting. It's winter and it's 20 past 4. But I have something super exciting to share with you. If you follow me on Instagram, then you no doubt would have seen by now. I haven't posted anything yet, but I'm pretty sure I will have within a week. But basically, me and Joe contacted a local ragdoll breeder, and well, we were going to go around there and see the few cats that she had that were due to be homed, and she told us that one got cancelled on yesterday, and as I'm sure you can imagine by me saying that and the way that I'm talking, we got her. So this little girl is Penny. Penny, hi darling, are you so pretty? Yeah. So expect a lot of cat spam on the old gram, that rhymed, and on the old vloggage. I will do like a proper intro and all the fun stuff soon. We weren't planning on getting her, so it's been a bit of a rush kind of thing, but we're so happy. She's a blue colour point ragdoll, and yeah, so excited. So I'm gonna have a little cuddle with her and let her have a sniff around and give her some food. And yeah, she was so good on the drive home. It's about half hour from here. So yeah, she was really good, weren't you? Yes, you. Let's open your door. Hey. Hi. This is your new house. Daddy! It's Daddy! Daddy home. Is he here now? Say good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's this? Yeah, you got it. Don't know what to do with it now, do you? Oh, Laura. Laura's got a dog called Malcolm. I think Malcolm would eat you up. Morning. It's Wednesday. I didn't speak to her at all yesterday. I showed you Penny, but I went out to, I suppose I can tell you now, my new job. So yes, I do have a new job, so I'm really, really quiet because I don't want to like disrupt her. She's awake, sitting on the chair. So I managed to get a part-time job locally, and still have to like get a bus. It's about 20 minutes maybe from here. I'm not gonna like share what it is or any of that kind of thing, but in theory for the first few weeks I want to try and stick to the minimum hours. So I'm contracted 8 hours purely so I can like look after Penny, because she's a kitten, she needs a lot of attention, and obviously she's not used to her surroundings yet. So yeah, although yesterday, as you would have seen, she was playing with us so much. She even fell asleep right next to me and it was so stinking cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go say hello to Penny. Hi, morning, baby. You doing wee wees? Yeah, good girl. Wow, it's like that, isn't it? It's like when you have a child and you praise them for going to the toilet. You don't want to waste, just YouTube. So yeah, as you can tell, she's still a bit scared. It's gonna take her a while, so it's fine. Yeah, I really need to sort my face out. I need to scrub my tan as well, because I did it on Thursday last week, and I'm only now starting to get that weird like patchy thing on my inside of my elbow, but everywhere else is fine. Like you can't even tell. I have a fake down on like, it's not good lighting, but you literally can't tell. I literally just look normal skin colour. So yeah, I might top that up. When am I gonna? I'm gonna have a bath tonight, so I might top it up tonight. Yeah, and then I'll wash my hair tomorrow and wash it all off. So today, one of our friends is popping round for a brew, I think after work. So that could be nice. And then, what was I going to say? I can't remember. Nope, it's gone. What's this? Yeah, there you go. Yes, what are you saying? Yeah? You're gonna have it in a minute when I get out of the kitchen. Is that what it is? Because I'm too close. Okay, you just sit there for a minute. What are you doing? What doing? What doing? Hey, mouses. Where's Mouse? It's over there. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, Eaton's gonna. What? What's that? Where you gone? Penny? Penny? There you are. What are you doing? Are you running around? You having your mad 5 minutes? Yeah. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but she's like meowing back to me. Penny? Are you so cute? Oh, bless her. Say hi, guys. Hi, YouTubes. Don't bite the camera. Excuse me. No, not playtime on the wires. No, Penny. You'll go bang if you do that. Penny, silly bean. Oh, okay. Good afternoon. I have just filmed a video, hence the lighting. The ring light's out. It's winter. It's, I want to say probably, oh, hang on, I have my Fitbit on my belt loop. It's 20 to 3. I am going to just sit down and edit this video that I've just filmed because it's got to go up today. Talk about last minute. And then I'm also going to edit this vlog up till now because I realised I filmed a lot of Penny, so I need to start sorting that out. So that is what I'm going to do. Might even make myself another brew. I've literally just finished one, but I'm going to make myself another one. Have a little bit of playtime with Pen, I think, because she's just having a nap at the moment, but I'm sure she'll be ready to play in a minute. Catch up on editing and maybe watch some more YouTube videos until Joe gets home. I think he's going to pop to the shop straight from work to try and get some bits for Penny, because we don't have any like food dishes or anything for her yet, but I've got like a tiny little white ramekin thing. So I filled that up with water for her, obviously, since we've got her. And then I've used like a Tupperware lid to like have her biscuits on, and a smaller little kind of shallow Tupperware thing for like wet food and stuff. It's just what we got, and it works. It's fine. She's only little, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna get tidying. Probably should do some cleaning as well, because I don't think I've really done anything this week, and it is Thursday. So yes. Anyways, I'm gonna go. It is hot. I need to turn this light off. And oh, wrong way. And yeah, I might even get on with some more planning.